Now ChatGPT gave it to me in a minute, okay? So if you have books you like, okay, just ask ChatGPT to give you the outline, to give you the starting point that you can take and build a full course upon it, okay? Hi, in this video, I will show you guys a detailed step-by-step course on how to create and sell online courses using Udemy and ChatGPT. I can reassure you it is not something you already saw in YouTube, so do not skip any part of it until the end. I'll go and explain each and every step. For whoever doesn't know what Udemy is the most popular platform for creating and selling online courses, and ChatGPT is an AI tool that reached millions of users in a single month. And guys, it's not by chance. This is a great tool. This tool can help us write video scripts as well as for any general topic that you have in mind, and also create for us a slideshow presentations in a very high quality, enabling us the opportunity of a passive income of thousands of dollars. And I'll show you exactly how. I'll show you a case study of creating a $3,000 of passive income from using Udemy and ChatGPT. Let's start right in and I'll show you all the necessary steps. Guys, just a couple of things before we start, okay? So the first question, why building an online course, okay? Why should we build an online course, okay? So I asked ChatGPT and I want to show you what he answers, okay? I asked him, what are the best passive income methods? So he is saying, okay, there are several ways to generate passive income. Some of the most popular include investing in real estate, investing in dividend paying, starting a business, blah, 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 creating and selling an online course or ebook. I will not talk about ebooks in this video. I will talk about ebooks in another video. For now, we are going to create an online course. Now I asked him to elaborate on creating and selling an online course. So he answers, creating and selling an online course or ebook is a popular method of generating passive income. Guys, he knows that. It involves creating digital content such as ebooks, blah, 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 on a topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. By the way, passionate is a very important thing. We'll talk about it. Creating a course or ebook can be a time-consuming process, but once it's completed, it can be sold repeatedly and generate passive income. Guys, this is a great mechanism to work with. ChatGPT will help us create the digital course that we want to create, and then I will show you exactly how to sell it in Udemy. Okay? So this is why building an online course. Now, who can do it? Okay? This is a great question because, guys, everyone can do it. Okay? Let's say I want to make a course about philosophy. Okay, and I'm very interested in philosophy and I'm reading lots of books about it. The best way to learn is to teach others. So even if you are not an expert, it is a great way to share your knowledge and on the way, get some extra income. Guys, this is exactly what we are going to do. The last thing, should I invest any money? Guys, there is no money involved, okay? I'm not going to sell you anything, and there is no capital needed from your side in order to create the course that I'm going to teach you how to create. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Okay, guys, let's start. Okay? First of all, we need to set up the Udemy account. Okay, I will show you exactly how. Then we need to choose our course topic. Okay, we should choose our niche. Okay, I'll show you how. Then we will use ChatGPT to write the course content. Okay, guys, this is the most important part. This will save us so much time. Okay, you will see exactly how. And then we will create the slide presentations with ChatGPT help again. I will show you exactly how. Okay, let's start. The first thing is to setting up the Udemy account. Okay, so please go to Udemy. Okay. When you go to Udemy, you will see the sign up button. Press on the sign up button. You will go to and get this screen. Okay, just fill in the data. Okay, no real problems here. Just fill in the data and sign up. After you logged in into Udemy, you will see this page, okay, with all of the courses. You can search for courses. You have here the categories. I will just show you exactly why we should use the categories section. But first of all, go and please sign up and get into Udemy. Okay, guys, now we need to choose our topic, okay? We need to choose our course niche. Okay, so first of all, make sure you like your topic, okay? I will show you exactly how to browse Udemy topics, but you need to make sure you have kind of interest on that topic, okay? Because you are going to talk about it. So it's better that you love your topic. And the second thing, you need to make sure there is money opportunities in it, okay? I will show you exactly how to do it, okay? First of all, let's go to Udemy and let's browse the categories, okay? You should see here the categories. You have lifestyle, marketing, personal development, and inside each category, you have lots of subcategories. Okay, let's say you want to talk about happiness, okay, about life coach training, positive psychology, manifestation and law of attraction, which is very popular. And you can talk about leadership, okay, manager training, coaching, whatever you want, personal productivity, okay, time management, okay. Let's say you want to make sure now, after you chose your topic, if you have money options in it, okay. So you go to this link, okay, you have this link here, www.udemy.com instructor marketplace insights, okay. In the marketplace insights, you can browse for sections. So let's say I'm searching for development, okay. So let's say I want to make a course about backend web development, okay. It doesn't matter, I'm just showing you the idea. So the backend web development, if I'll press it, I will see how much money the top courses are making monthly. Guys, the top monthly revenue for the backend web development sections are earning $5,500 per month. Guys, if this is something you want, okay, I'm telling you, we can achieve such things, okay. And here are the courses of the backend web implementations, okay, the fundamentals of backend communications. You can browse the courses, and more than that, you can browse the structure of the courses, okay. You can expand all sections, and then you can see the outline they gave for the course, okay. And you can take each and every topic and let ChatGPT write you data about. Okay, this is a very important thing. Now, another thing I want you to know is that when you get into the course, okay, most of the courses will be, I will go into, let's say, the backend communication and the pattern intro, okay, whatever it will be, okay. I want you to understand that this is not a good idea, but most of the courses in Udemy are using presentations modes, okay. They are talking with the presentation open, and most of them even do not show their face, okay. This is another thing you need to understand, okay. Now that we understand it, okay, we can go for the next topic, which is our course creation. Okay, guys, so now you probably will ask me, okay, how do I create the course? Okay, so I have my topic, I found out my niche, now I want to make the course. Okay, so you do it in 2 steps, guys. We first create our course outline. This is very important. Okay, the first thing is only the outline. For that we need ChatGPT, of course. I will show you exactly how to do it. Then after we have the outline, we create a detailed sections for each and every topic. Okay, again, by the help of ChatGPT. Let's go over ChatGPT. I will show you exactly how to do it. Okay, let's say I want to make a course about personal productivity. Okay, this is the topic I chose. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT, please write me an outline of an online course about personal productivity. Okay, I'm only asking about the outline. Guys, a very important thing to understand about ChatGPT. The quality of your input will define the quality of your output. Okay, you need to know exactly what to ask ChatGPT, because if you ask him garbage, you will get garbage. Okay, so in order to get a proper defined outline of a course, I will start by asking that, and I will get a detailed outline. Okay, introduction to personal productivity, look, time management, understanding the importance of time management, identifying, and each and every topic I will get ChatGPT to elaborate about. Now, let's say I want to make another more detailed outline. Okay, please provide a more detailed outline. Now look what he gives me. About time management, he added the prioritizing tasks and setting deadlines. Okay, the Eisenhower matrix method, the Pomodoro technique. Look how many things we can talk about in our course. Okay, and ChatGPT saves us lots of time. Such a thing will take me like hours to write. Okay, hours to think about, to manage, to order. Now look what ChatGPT gave us. Okay, delegation and collaboration, understanding the importance of delegation, how delegation can improve productivity. Okay, stress management, and it defines each and every topic with subtopics, and each subtopic with with other subtopics, how stress affects the brain and body. Okay, everything. It gives you a very detailed outline. Now let's say I wanna take this outline, okay, and now emphasize and elaborate each and every section. Okay, so I will ask ChatGPT, okay, let's elaborate, please elaborate over, okay, Eisenhower matrix method. Okay, let's see. Okay, so ChatGPT tries his best and he explains about the Eisenhower matrix, okay, also known as the Eisenhower decision principle of Eisenhower box, the time management technique that helps individual prioritize, blah blah, urgent and important but not urgent. This is the matrix itself. Tasks in the first quadrant, urgent and important, are considered the most important and should be done first. Okay, great. Look how many content ChatGPT gave me. Okay, and I can take all of this content and build upon it, okay, a very detailed course. You start to get the feeling, you start to get where it goes. Okay, great. Okay guys, now I want to show you two more ideas just to show you the abilities of ChatGPT and the quality of this crazy AI engine. Okay, I asked ChatGPT to write me an online course about quantum physics for dummies, so I start from the outline. Okay, remember, we are starting from the outline. And then it gave me the introduction, basic concepts, okay, quantum mechanics in action. It actually gave me a very detailed outline that I can start with and create my online course. Now remember, creating an online course is also a great way for learning new subjects, okay? If you doesn't know nothing about quantum physics, doesn't mean you cannot make an online course about it. And on the way, just learn about it, okay? The best way, okay, for you to learn is to teach others. Okay, this is something very important. The second idea I want to give you is about taking a book you love. Okay, let's say I love Atomic Habits. I read Atomic Habits and I connect to it, I resonate with it, and I want to talk about it. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to write me an outline about the book. Okay, now listen, this would take me like hours to get, okay, just to think about the arrangements, the order, the structure. Now ChatGPT gave it to me in a minute. Okay, so if you have books you like, okay, just ask ChatGPT to give you the outline, to give you the starting point that you can take and build a full course upon it. Okay, now another nice thing I want to show you is that the name for the course, I asked ChatGPT to give me a name. So he gave me Mastering Atomic Habits, Strategies for Building and Breaking Good Habits. Guys, this is a great name, okay? This is a great name. Okay, guys, let's continue. Okay guys, so we have our data. Okay, we use ChatGPT to create our scripts. All of the outline scripts are organized, okay, inside ChatGPT. And now we need to take this data and move it into some format that, you know, we can upload to Udemy and use as an online course. Okay, so we will use Google Slides in order to create, okay, our slideshows. Okay, that will be the main engine of our course. Okay, Google Slides is a free platform, you can use it. And for example, I asked ChatGPT to give me a good name for a productivity online course. So you can see here, please give me a name for an online course about productivity and time management. So ChatGPT gave me Efficiency Mastery, Boost Productivity and Time Management. Guys, this is actually a great name. And I put it here, and you got the idea. You just go and take whatever sections. Okay, you start of course from the outline. You take the outline, you create your order, you put it on slides. And by the way, you can go to Udemy and then go to a course that you want. Let's say the time management, and what I have here is the productivity and time management for the overwhelmed. Okay, it's a good name. And then you see the structure he uses. Okay, you can see the structure he uses, and you can take ideas. Okay, and then you just put it on slides, because most of Udemy courses are based on slides. Okay, you are explaining exactly as I'm doing currently. You just explain the data over the slides. Okay, you even doesn't have to show your face. Okay, if you don't want, you can if you want, but it's not a must. And then you just need to take the data you created over slides, and we will create with it our final product. Okay, what's our final product? Okay, so we have the slides ready. Okay, now what? We need to use apps like Camtasia or OBS Studio, which are free. Okay, Camtasia, I think it's free, but I'm not sure. The OBS Studio, which I'm using, is free for sure. And you can record your screen while you're talking and create your online course. By the way, it's very important to have a good microphone to get a clear voice over your presentations. It's very important, and it will for sure boost your rank over Udemy. Now, after you have it done, okay, upload your course to Udemy and start earning money. Guys, that's it. This is as simple as you think. Okay, you just need to create the course, do it. Okay, start today, and write me in the comments below if you did it. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.